sa ating tinuturo, we always emphasize na kailangan tayo magkaroon ng background check. Whether ikaw yung lalaki o yung babae sa relationship, it's always nice to have that background check between in between the courting period perhaps, or even prior to the courting period, para mas proactive ka. Syempre, the reason being, in hindsight, nakita natin ito yun. And I actually salute si Bea for doing that due diligence background check kay Dominic, kasi it could have been a disaster, potentially a disaster, kung nagtuloy sila doon sa pagkapakasal nila. So kudos kay Bea for having that mindset. At syempre, ang hirap din ng ginawa niya, kasi syempre 3 to 4 years investment of your time in the life of this person, tapos nag-decide siya to break it. That's actually, I think, very painful but very surgical. So alam mo na cerebral o marunong mag-critical analysis at mag-isip si Bea.